This is another granite repair on the front side of an undermount sink on Blue Pearl granite. Though the crack was not bad, the only way to prevent the crack from coming back is to remove the rusting rod from the area of the granite. This is a 2 centimeter slab over a subtop, so there is no way to get at it from the underside. The sink rail is clamped and carefully broken to expose the rod. We break the granite because cutting it creates large cut lines, and when we break it, the repair is easier to mask as a vein or part of the material. The crack is always visible under close inspection, but Sureshine Service Network technicians use the best structural and aesthetic adhesives available to make sure your repair will last. We back up our repair with a 1-year warranty. Call Sureshine to have your granite crack evaluated. You can send pictures to the app on our website at sureshinecares.com or by email to info@sureshinecares.com. That link is in our description, or call us at 1-800-378-0266 to discuss your project.